Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to speak English at the airport. Let's begin our exciting lesson. Ali, have you ever traveled by airplane? Please tell us about your experience.
Yes, Miss Ayesha. I traveled by airplane last year. It was exciting and I really enjoyed the journey.
Fatima, would you like to travel by airplane one day? Where would you like to go?
Yes, Miss Ayesha. I would love to travel by airplane. I want to visit Saudi Arabia with my family one day.
A passport is an important travel document. You need it to travel to another country by airplane. A boarding pass is your ticket to enter the airplane. You receive it after checking in for your flight. Luggage means the bags and suitcases you take with you when you travel. Always keep your luggage safe. A departure gate is the place where passengers wait before boarding the airplane. Always go to the correct gate on time. Now let's begin our airport conversation. Ali is the passenger and Fatima is the check-in officer.
Good morning. I would like to check in for my flight, please.
Good morning. Certainly. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Of course. Here is my passport and my boarding pass. I am excited because this is my first international flight.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in today? Do you have any hand luggage with you as well?
I have one suitcase to check in and one small backpack with me. Both bags are packed and ready for the flight today.
Everything looks perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Please go to gate 5, at least 30 minutes.
Excellent job, Ali and Fatima. Now, Ali, can you tell us which travel document every passenger must carry before an international...
Every passenger must carry a valid passport before an international flight. It is one of the most important travel documents.
Excellent answer, Ali. Now, Fatima, can you tell the class what passengers should do after receiving their boarding pass?
After receiving the boarding pass, passengers should go to the correct departure gate and wait there until boarding begins.
You both did excellent. Today we learned about passports, boarding passes, luggage, departure gates, and polite English conversations. Thank you for watching today's English lesson. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you in our next exciting lesson. Goodbye, everyone!